Hi guys, welcome to my channel. DSOUND.dll is missing, so how to fix? So first method guys, click to start, go to setting. You have to up to date your operating system. Then click to Windows update. Then click for check update. Okay, this first. If it's showing some pending, so you have to download and install. Okay, then follow second method. Second method guys, you have to update .NET file. Okay, open any browser, type micro and user runtime web installer, this one. Okay, then open this first and click to download. Then administrator rights for, click yes. Then I accept and next. Then guys, next, uninstall stream applications from control panel. Click to start and type control panel. Control panel, uninstall program. So first of all guys, select view by category. Okay, then uninstall program, find out stream. Okay, uninstall in stream. Next, update your audio driver. So right click to device manager, extract sound video game, select this one, right click to update driver, search automatically, then close. Again this, extract, select a speaker, extract, search automatic, then close. Then guys, click to here, scan for hardware changes, close this and then finish. Then guys, next, perform clear boot. So start and type msconfig, this one, system configuration. Then click to services, hidden all, click to disable and then apply and then okay. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last. So Microsoft online scanner, offline scanner. So click to start and type Windows security. So this one, single click to open. Then click to virus threat protections. Scan option. Scroll down Microsoft Defender and Antivirus offline scanner to click and then yes. And wait few seconds. The system will be sign out and then restart. Okay, after will be start scanning and detect antiviruses and temp files and all. Then it is completed, almost 91% done. Then automatic restart your system. Now this is login.